Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy today that I finally get to share with you the skincare that I've been using, because I've been approached by a few different brands over, I'd say, the past year, and I always say to them, I'll try the product but I'll only speak about it if it actually works for my skin. And this brand, I am so excited to say, it's just worked for my skin in so many different ways, so I can't wait to share this with you today. I've been using Elline skincare since the summertime, so it's been quite a long time that I've been testing these products out before sharing them with you today. And it actually got to the point where I was like, please sponsor me. I actually do want to share this product. So this is a sponsored video, but as I said, sponsored because I really wanted to share this with you. So for me, I have used these through the hot summer days, and I'm also now using them through these colder days where we've got, yes, we have the heating on because it's freezing here in South Wales, and it's really crisp outside now as well. So I feel like we're in winter, not autumn. So my skin has had a real good test of these products in the summertime and in the autumn winter time as well. You are going to see some close-ups of my skin today that I don't think I have ever shown anyone before. This is so close up. It's my skin in all of its flaws, all of its glory, and I really wish I'd done a really good close-up of my skin beforehand, but that just shows what I thought of my skin before. I did take a quick phone sort of video of the state of my skin, shall we say, before I started using these products, and even with the poorer quality of the front-facing camera of my phone, you can see how bad it is. So it hasn't made anything look better by doing it that way at all. But yes, when you do get to see the close-ups of my skin, this is my skin without any fake tan. This is also my skin. It's showing you what has happened without me wearing SPF at the beginning of the summer. I'm quite prone to hyperpigmentation, so you'll see a lot of that. I have not been treating that. I wanted to use these three products on their own without introducing anything else to get a really fair test to see if these products were going to work for me and if I wanted to share them with you. So let's first of all go on to the packaging of these. Now, I could not believe the branding on this, because not only does it look amazingly sleek and classy, but when you pull out the product, now I have the products by the side of me, let me pop them in so that you can see. So when you pull out the product like this, you get this lit up here, and actually I should have brought down the other one for you to see, because the one with all the golden bits in, which I'll show you in a second, this lights up as well, and I felt kind of bougie opening that there. So here you're going to see me unbox the items. We'll talk about the ingredients and why they work, and then you're also going to see me applying them. So you're going to see what this does to my skin. And I know a lot of you will have been following along with my fertility journey, and if you are here because of that, you'll be glad to know that the three products that I have here are safe to use during pregnancy, and these are also all vegan and halal as well. They've got like the highest certification on things for Switzerland, so this is an amazing brand all in all. I'm going to talk to you today about the order that I apply these items in. And the first product that I use is the Treasures of Youth 24 Carat Lifting Serum. And this is an anti-aging serum. And as you can see from the box, it just looks beautiful coming out of the packaging as it is. And then you get to look close up at the product. And oh my goodness, all of the little gold flecks inside here. It's a dream to be looking at this product. And this product was the Pure Beauty Global Awards 2019 winner. So global winner, that tells you something about this product, if not this brand in all. So this is absolutely fantastic. This has precious anti-aging active ingredients. It's a complex of spherical gold crystals, precious hyaluronic acid, and multi-activating cell receptors. So they unfold, causing, as it says on the website, an extraordinary regeneration of the deeper skin. And I can say the combination of these things has really made a massive difference with the plumpness of my skin and also the fine lines. I'm going to give you a close-up of those in a little bit. The reason that the gold is so good in this is because when it touches your skin, it enables hyaluronic acid to be produced by your own body along with collagen. You can apply a custom amount of drops to your face and neck and décolletage with this. When I first started using this, I was applying, back in the summer, I'd say about 8 drops for the first few days because my skin was so sort of, it needed that help. But now I can apply, I'd say 5 drops and I don't need any more. This goes on like a dream as well. It's really silky when it goes across your skin, but it doesn't leave any, actually after about a minute you can't feel anything on your skin. It's really sunk in and done a good job. You don't get any of that sort of silicone feeling on your skin. It's not sticky. It's just a really, really lovely serum. And for me to talk about a serum, it's good. The next product that I apply then is the Treasures of Youth Anti-Aging Instant Eye Lift. And I don't know if you noticed this before, but I had so many melia all underneath my eyes, and no matter what cream I used over the years, nothing at all would get rid of them. And I thought it was just something that I had and my problem, and I'd used so many products that everything was blocked and you can't really push those out. So I thought I was stuck with those forever. However, I do not have any melia underneath my eyes now, and I'm not quite sure how this has happened, but it has. And also, this is another product where, before I talk to you about the ingredients, this is another product where I can visibly see that all of my wrinkles here, no, they haven't gone because these are not Botox in a bottle, and I haven't had Botox for the longest time because of having fertility treatment. You can still see that I can move all of my face, but you can just see that everything just feels more smoothed out purely because of what this enables my own skin to do. Again, this has spherical gold crystals, short chain hyaluronic acid, and Persian silk tree extract. So it says that this reduces the appearance of wrinkles, which I would agree with, and has a tightening effect on the eye area, including the upper eyelid. And actually, I hadn't even thought about my upper, I'm looking at you like you're a little mirror here, but I hadn't even thought about the upper eyelid. But actually, I used to think that here was quite wrinkly, sort of. It's not now. And I'm not quite sure how a product can do that, but these 3 products, as I said, as something that I'm going to be using for the longest time, and I don't need to add anything else in. If you suffer from dark circles as well, this can reduce the appearance of those. And again, no GMOs, vegan, so no animal testing as well. And it doesn't have any other harmful ingredients. So I would definitely tell you, please go and have a look at their website and just read about what this doesn't include, because amazing. And the final product that I'm using in my very simple but amazing skincare routine, can you tell that I am very impressed with this brand, is the 24-hour intensive cream. So again, from the Treasures of Youth collection, the anti-aging. And I am so fussy with what type of cream that I use. I don't normally switch between creams once I find one that I like. So for this to be able to work really well for me in the daytime and the nighttime, to give me the correct amount of hydration without leaving me oily in the day or dry in the night, says something for this product. So this has a luxurious complex of gold crystals, hyaluronic acid, precious raspberry stem cell extract, and mineral-rich Swiss glacial water, which provides hydration for 24 hours. So I would agree that it says that the appearance of wrinkles are reduced, and it does leave your skin with a glow. There's a patented ingredient in this called Hyalgen, I think is how you pronounce it, which increases skin density by 171%. So on the close-ups of my skin, you can see that my pores are no longer filled with stuff, so they have been able to shrink back down to the size that they should be. You can also see that my skin is glowing more because it's hydrated, it's plumped out, and obviously those wrinkles. But for me as well, something that I've noticed is I no longer have that unnecessary skin texture because I'm not putting any ingredients on my skin that are doing something that are having an adverse reaction. I'm not putting anything extra on that I don't need. It's just these 3 products. I cannot speak more highly of a brand. I really can't. Don't just take my word for it. If you're able to get your hands on these yourself, please do. I will be using these for the longest time. You've probably never heard me rave about a product as much as these 3. I will leave their website, their Instagram, anything that I can in the description box below for you, and any questions you want to ask me if I can, I will help. Just ask them in the comments section below. But as I said, I'm amazed at what it's done for my skin. So thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to speak to you in the next one. Goodbye everyone.